Today, I'll show you how to change the year on Google Maps satellite view. Before we start, it's important to know that the regular Google Maps app usually does not let you choose a specific satellite year. Google Maps shows the most recent satellite imagery available for that area. If you want to view older satellite images by year, the best tool is usually Google Earth. First, open your browser and search for Google Earth. You can use Google Earth Web in your browser or install Google Earth Pro on your computer for more advanced historical imagery tools. Now search for the location you want to view. Enter the city, address, landmark, or coordinates in the search bar. Once the map moves to the location, zoom in until the satellite image is clear. If you are using Google Earth Pro, look at the top toolbar and click the historical imagery icon. It usually looks like a small clock with an arrow. A timeline slider will appear near the top of the screen. Now drag the timeline slider left or right to change the image date. Depending on the location, you may see imagery from different months or years. Choose the year or date you want to view. Google Earth will update the satellite image if older imagery is available for that location. Keep in mind that not every area has many historical images. Large cities often have more imagery dates, while rural areas may have fewer options. If you are using regular Google Maps, you can sometimes view older Street View images instead. Open Street View, then look for a small clock icon near the top left. Click it to choose an older Street View date if available. And that's it. You now know how to change the year using Google Earth historical imagery and how to check older Street View dates in Google Maps. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.